Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na food para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong masarap na sandwich. Bumili nga muna ako niyan guys ng sandwich. So dyan ako bumibili. Ang sasarap ng mga sandwich. So marami kang pagpipilian dyan. Ikaw na lang mamibili kung anong gusto mong sandwich. So after nga bumili ng sandwich, umuwi na ako sa bahay. Prepare tayo para sa ating breakfast. Gawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea. Nilagyan ko ito ng cardamom and turmeric powder. Napakasarap nito at ang bango pa. Yung ating slice of onion, luya, konting bawang and yung ating tea seeds, and papakuloyin lang natin ito at meron na tayong napakasarap na hot drinks. And for cold drinks, meron tayong fresh squeezed orange juice. Nag-squeeze lang tayo ng ating fresh orange. Very healthy and so refreshing din ang ating fresh squeezed orange juice. Meron pa tayong masarap na oats. Nagpakulo ng water, nag-add ng powdered milk and yung ating oats, honey. Napakasarap din ang ating oats and very healthy, good and friendly sa ating heart. Meron pa tayong masarap na vegetable salad, slice of carrots, lettuce, and nilagyan ko ito ng alagbati. And with tuna, napakasarap ng ating tuna. Nag-add lang ako nito ng ground pepper and lemon juice. Napaka-healthy din ng ating vegetable salad. Kaya tayo guys, ready to serve ng ating food para sa ating breakfast. Yung ating masarap na sandwich. Yung ating masarap na oats with milk and honey. Hot drinks. Yung ating onion tea with turmeric and cinnamon powder. And nilagyan ko pa ito ng powdered milk. Cold drinks, yung ating fresh squeezed orange juice. Meron pa tayong masarap na assorted fruits, banana, orange, and yung ating slice of mango. Kaya tayo guys, mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Healthy and delicious ang ating food. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share my video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.